Hey everyone, this is Liz from MO3 Detailing. I just got in my Grambassador box yesterday, so I'm going to go through and kind of show you some of the things that they sent me. So, first thing they sent me was a ton of towels. They sent me all different colors. I'll show you the size of them. Get one out. So they're really big. Be great for cleaning all these cars I'm doing. So I got red, yellow, green, orange, and blue. So I love that they sent me a bunch of different colors because I don't know if you do this, but it's great to kind of keep things separately. So maybe like blue for glass and, you know, or orange for exterior with some of these towels. So make sure you follow my Instagram so you can see when that happens. All right, the next box they sent me all of these. Start with the red ones. So they're edgeless towels. They're really soft. So they sent me 4 of those. And then 2 green ones. Some of these. I like these a lot. They're small, but they have different ridges on them. Some more edgeless towels, some little ones. Those are cute. Really big one. Be great for drying cars. It's very heavy too. I think it will absorb a lot of water. Then we got wash mitt. All right, they sent me a couple more things other than towels. So I'm really excited to try this. It's an IK Foam Pro 2 foam sprayer. I've really been wanting a foam sprayer. I've been kind of putting it off, so I'm really excited to try that. I'll have to let you know what I think of it. They sent me this t-shirt, by the way. Got one of these. Some stickers. We got some G2 liquid crystal. I'm excited to try that. Let me know in the comments if you try this, what you thought of it. Some G wash. I've been wanting to find a new wash to use, so I'll be using that on my next car. And we got some Break Buster, which I use a lot of this stuff. I really like that. So there we have it. That's what's in my Grambassador box. Just so you know, during this Grambassador period, you can get 15% off on their website with using the code Elizabeth15. Don't forget to go to my Instagram. I'm going to have a giveaway shortly. And I'm hoping to give away some of these towels. So thanks for watching. Bye.